Hi, this is ink and interiors. Here are 5 design tricks to open up small spaces. Let's dive in. Trick your space with a simple shift. Place furniture like a chair or rug diagonally. It breaks the boxy layout and stretches the eye across the room, and very easy to implement. Next one, go low and high. A low profile sofa opens up wall space. Now place artwork higher on the wall and suddenly your room feels taller. That vertical contrast is a simple way to add air and height. Next up, contrast creates boundaries, but a monochrome color scheme blends those lines, making walls, floors, and furniture flow together. It's a seamless look that makes your room feel larger. Next one, here's a bold one. Use one large item instead of many small ones. A big piece of art or decor makes the space feel grand and uncluttered. It's counterintuitive, but it works. Next one, use of negative space. Sometimes less is more. A little breathing room between things makes your space feel calmer and more put together. It's all about knowing when to stop and let things breathe. And that's it. Small space, big impact. Just takes a few smart moves. See you in the next one.